Colors are Blue Violet, True Blue, Magenta, Bright Yellow, and White. Oh my goodness, I did not film this. So I'm going to tell you what I did. I pressed the play and it was not recording. I started with the white, lots of white, then I put blue, purple, magenta, and yellow. Then I put white. Then I put the magenta again, the purple, the blue, and the white. That was the order that I did in there. So now we are going to flake up, and this does not have any silicone. So we're gonna flake up and wait a few minutes, and after I have filled the cup, I put silicone in here, and I put 2 in each of the color except for the purple. I only put 1 because I don't have too much purple left. And while this is going down, I'm gonna fill the cup for the clock. Let's do white. Seems to be yellow in there, but that's okay. That was meant to be. So let's go by. Let's do yellow. That's so pretty. That is so pretty. No, don't go. Remember, there is no silicone. This is so pretty in there. We are just checking what this paint can do with no silicone. It's raining a lot. Wow, looks spatial. I don't want to lose that. But it cannot be only that. Bring it. Okay, let's see. Let's see. It is nothing, nothingness, nothingness, and nothingness. So this is where you be creative. Because there was nothing in there. You have to bring some interest. There's nothing, you have to bring some interest. Should I bring another one? Let's do it. Why not? Okay, so I really like it with the silicone. And it's my way of doing this. But I'm doing this for people that they don't care for cells. You don't care for cells, I'm doing some pours, so you have something. I still am going to torch again, because that will remove any bubbles. Now let's do the same colors, this time with silicone. We have put some silicone. I'm gonna put this away. First of all, we have to put paint on the numbers. So think I'm gonna do that outside of camera. About 5 ounces of paint in here. Wow, come on. Wow, wow, what is this? Okay, sorry, it was not meant to be. You gotta be kidding. Now, no gas. Ooh, I think I burned it. What is my problem today? Now since I lost all my paints, I'm not gonna have chance to move it too much. So let's move it. Cover that area. Look at that. Lots of tiny cells. Lots and lots of tiny cells. So I don't know where was the area that I over-torched. Oh, there it is. I over-torched that area. So I think I'm gonna move it that way in case that wants to crack. Because we need to move it. We don't want to leave it this tiny. There. Now they're not that tiny. They're getting bigger. Rainbow of color. They're so pretty. Maybe if I have not lost it, I would probably have not done this. And it needed to happen so that I had all these pretty cells. Gonna lose this area so that I can get some bigger cells. Smooth them back. This is very pretty. Very, very pretty. And I'm just gonna leave it like this. Hopefully they will grow a tiny bit more. Maybe I should lose that section completely and make those cells bigger, but I may make a mess and you cannot tell me what to do. And I think I already waited too long. So I'm just gonna use the colors again without the, this time without the purple, just the primary colors. And it might change though. I'm gonna do it in front of you. I'm losing a tiny bit that section. Okay, there you go. This one I'm gonna leave. Write some pink and blue cells in there. I think it's prettier now. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this away and I will bring another one. These pieces turned out gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This one has mold cells, and it was because of, if you see the video, I almost spilled all the paint, so I have to tilt right away before torching and then torch. When you torch at the beginning, your cells are bigger than when you torch after tilting. So that is the difference, but they are gorgeous cells. See how pretty they are? And so colorful. And look at all the luster that it has from that. Those paints has such a luster. I think it's very, very pretty. And I'm going to resin it, but even without the resin, they already have so much luster. It's gorgeous. So this was the piece that I did at the beginning, and I love the ribbon effect. It's completely different. And it also has all the luster. So these are the dry pieces from the DecoArt New Medium, and look how shiny they are. I wish I have used more of the white and even put some silicone on the white so that I could have more white cells because they look so pretty. How pretty. and I had a caterpillar, so I had to lose all the bright yellow that I had in there, that it was so pretty. Oh well. It's still very, very beautiful and very shiny. Lots and lots of cells. This one was the one that was done with what was left on the cup. The bottom section that had all the white. It formed huge cells. Huge. And this one's the one that we did when we were beginning, that we were not sure how to use the medium, and we overstretched this one. Also, we were trying to lose one of the huge caterpillars that we had in there.